Hello, everyone. My name is Will the Chill, and I'm here to show you some compiled Perl. If this is the first time that you've ever seen me, I'm the author of the Perl compiler, and the demo that I have for you today is a very quick demo of the latest work that I've done to implement database support in Perl, and specifically today we're going to talk about Mongo. This is kind of small font. Is that visible? No. Okay, well, you guys are going to have to give me an extra 20 seconds here because I already changed the font size once and now I'm going to have to do it again. And I can't even see what I'm doing here. Oh my goodness. There it goes. Okay. Dance? No, I know how to juggle. I swore I wouldn't sing. Okay, it's good. Is that better? I hope so. Okay, good. I'm on my demo server. What do I have here? One file. What's in that file? Let's take a look. Oh, yes, I know that. Edit anyway. Okay. Boilerplate at the top. Use Perl. This loads a ton of special stuff for the compiler. You'll notice that there's a Perl support MongoDB. This does use like the existing Mongo support under the hood when you're in interpreted mode, which is what I think everybody here knows as normal Perl. So let's go ahead and you can briefly look. Here's the code. It loads up a database. It gets the database, it gets a collection, it creates a BSON document stream with some test data in there, foo integer, some numbers A, B, C, D, E, F, and then it simply does an insert on that. And then it also, so it's an insert one, and then below that is a find one. So if you don't know how Mongo works, that's fine. I'm also not a Mongo expert. I'm just a compiler guy. But there it is. That's the Perl code. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. You'll notice the first time it runs, it's going to do this bootstrapping process where it has to compile its own helper functions, and then it runs. And that's running at the normal speed of normal interpreted Perl. And you can see there's our little data, the ABCDEF, and the demo data that I inserted into the Mongo database. Now, let's compile it. All we have to do is run the command rperl, and it's going to compile. Thanks to inline. Thank you, Ingi. And there's a gigantic G++. Thanks to everyone who developed the GNU compiler collection. It is now generating a binary file, and it will run that file as soon as it's done. There it goes. It does not do the same indenting that dumper does. It's all on one line, but you can see it's the exact same data, even the same serial number and ID and all of that. Did I fake that? Is that real? I don't know. Well, look at the files that are in there. There's a CPP file, and there's even a large binary executable file. It's 3 megs because I'm pulling in all of Perl.h right now, and that's actually not really necessary, but I'm doing it anyway. If we run the command file on that, we will see that it is, in fact, an ELF 64-bit executable file. This is a real executable file. And I think you guys probably would like to also see what is that CPP file that was generated, and how does it relate to the original? Well, you saw the Perl just a moment ago, and now you're seeing the automatically generated C++. So all I can say is we're far enough along where that I can compile Mongo. It doesn't mean that we support all of Perl 5, but we're good enough that we have a major Perl client, I can't name who, on the West Coast, who hired us to do this. So the time has come, the year is now. If you need to compile your code, please come see me. Thank you.